You ready for this experience? We're coming to see the waterfall.
Yeah.
On an amazing boat.
Pretty cool.
Let's go.
So excited. You probably ask why it's only me and Max on the boat. So we got the private charter thing, you know.
You know the 3 letters?
Luxury boat.
You know,
charter them.
You know VIP. Yeah.
Jet engine on, ready to go.
Laos people learn something from Vietnamese, huh?
Yeah, every step you do in here, you just, as soon as you get closer, you pay parking. You pay boat and you pay after the waterfall access, all separately.
Oh, they have 5 elephants. We decided to walk a bit farther just to see if there are maybe 50 pumps pumping the water for this waterfall.
And you can hear actually the sound of something like a pump or so.
The water cowboy.
It's alright, quite fresh, so that's what we needed.
Ah, yeah?
It's quite a hot day, so we just get inside.
Told me it's fresh, but it's cold. Woo! And it's slippery. Look at this. You feel refreshed?
Woo! Wow.
So
Newborn, you know, just such a great feeling.
but the water is chilly. It's not hot.
Oh, it was quite hot.
Okay.
I'm sorry, it's such exciting stuff here.
That is definitely nice. We haven't seen the cave.
We missed a couple of extra waterfalls. There are several ones, so
And
but it's worth it.
it is nice. The waterfalls,
If you're in this area, just get there. You can spend even like half a day. You have the restaurant, bars and everything, so you can just spend even full day.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
You advertise a lot, huh?
Yeah, I mean, if you have spare day, of course.
Definitely.
We're kind of busy men here, you know. We're just moving around and just there's no time to waste, half a day especially.
Yeah, let's head back to the city.
The boat is waiting for us. Tat Sae. It's incredible that this boat is made from a single tree. Usually they are used for a boat racing festival that takes place every September. This boat can hold up to 50 paddlers. This colorful ritual has been carried on by Lao people for thousands of years.
Luang Prabang is the spiritual center of all Laos. With dozens and dozens of temples, it's easy to spend an entire day, or more. Each temple has its own something special.
This reliable bridge is washed down and rebuilt every year, so be ready to pay a small fee to cross it. Mekong River is the lifeline of Laos. This river originates in China, travels south, forming the boundary between Laos and other countries such as Myanmar and Thailand.
This will be our shuttle for the next 4 hours, and we negotiated for some boat trip.
We're headed 25 kilometers northeast to the cave called the Pak Ou cave.
They should be mostly damaged wooden statues. And on the way we will stop in the Sangha village, and they are famous for making whiskey there.
So we're not sure if we will arrive to the cave actually. Maybe we'll start in that village and we'll just spend the rest of the day there.
You know,
Taste it.
I feel very important.
Why is that?
Check on the background. We don't have anyone.
Where are they all gone?
Next time we'll try harder to find some company for our trip. Much more fun and definitely cheaper.
Nice shuttle, huh?
Very powerful one. We have two engines, two jet engines. That's why you have this feeling of flying. 200 now and after 150.
The pass of Mekong River crosses Cambodia and then ends in southern Vietnam, forming famous Mekong Delta. One of the most popular things to do in Luang Prabang is to take a slow boat tour down a portion of Mekong River to the Buddha cave. As we were late in the day, we needed to rent the whole boat for this trip.
And it seems that someone was even more in rush than us.
Definitely.
Here we are. Let's check the village and local rice whiskey.
I might tell you that we were not impressed with the local whiskey. Just not enough flavor, and you can feel mostly alcohol burning your mouth.
I guess a lot of people wouldn't care about that, huh?
They just want to get drunk, huh? Everyone is selling here and they're quite pushy, huh?
It's not like they just put it in your hands with their scarves, no?
No, asking 3 times is already pushy.
I wish they were selling some food here.
True. Have we found this car for you?
I kind of going for maybe these colors. Sabai di bo.
สบายดีไหม
A lot of people selling the same things, and everyone is. You walk past, and they offering you just take something. So this is the boat which was overtaking you. Yeah.
It was too fast for us. We want to enjoy the moment. We don't want to rush, you know. Sometimes it can be quite expensive to be a believer.
20,000 each.
Pak Ou Caves, also called Buddha Caves, is a highly respected religious site in Luang Prabang province and situated upstream from Mekong at about 20 miles. Several legends tell stories of this site where, over the years, thousands of statues of Buddha have been deposited. We've done our calculations and there are 4,000 Buddha icons.
This one is really small, huh?
And very touristy.
So what do you think they're trying to protect?
Yeah, from the dust probably, so it lasts longer. Take care of your stuff, okay? I think it's more like a Vietnamese style. When you have your plastic doors or windows and you keep the protection layer.
Ticket office is always ready for action with 3 persons controlling this strategic entrance point.
You need to walk everywhere. I think after school time I'm enjoying hiking.
The stairs, even though they are steep, are well looked after and equipped for many visitors. This site, which is primarily a religious site, is very much visited today by tourists, so don't expect to be on your own for meditation. Make sure you take a powerful torch if you are planning to visit the second
Thomas,
cave.
couple of words to summarize your experience at this beautiful cave.
We saw more beautiful caves for free. Like Buddha cave, much nicer in my opinion.
Yeah.
Bigger.
A lot of tourists here as well.
3.5 stars in my opinion. I actually like the ladies sleeping and resting there. Feels like on vacation here. That's the first all-you-can-eat restaurant we found for now. Big buffet with the random local things. Some of them not very local.
Yeah, a bit of frozen stuff, so...
Yeah, but the idea is they give you this charcoal and you just grill it by yourself. So what's your opinion on the dinner? I wasn't impressed because it takes a lot of time to grill that thing. Everything slips away down.
I would have put on some makeup if you told me.
You don't need that because we know how to use the Photoshop and things.
Okay, good.
My face is the first face they see all the time. I know. But what's your opinion about the market?
Oh gosh, really?
Try to be more positive.
This
Becoming
is the
Brian
best,
Tracy
this
almost.
is the best night market in all of Laos.
We've been walking maybe 10 minutes through that line, huh? And there is another way back.
I felt like it was half an hour.
Copy paste?
No, this street is better than that street. That street is copy paste. This street is better.
Maybe.
She is 15 months on
She's been here
traveling.
for quite a long time, so she knows stuff.
We decided to test how strong and reliable the bridge is and to cross it for a small fee. After that, we started to look for a place to have dinner.
Grilled fish, it's everywhere, so we decided at the end just to try it, how it tastes.
After a long and tiring day, we felt in need of some kind of spa treatment. We deserve it. Hour of my face massage, eh?
I wouldn't call it like face massage, I would maybe like face treatment or so, because it was like, in my case at least, I don't know how it's happened with you.
Same.
Doing some stuff just like this and this.
But at least
they were just playing with you know. That's how it was happening, huh?
But at least I think they removed the
Dead skin.
yeah.
Wat Xieng Thong is the religious emblem of Luang Prabang and one of the highest symbols of Buddhism in Laos. It's located at the tip of the Luang Prabang Peninsula. The Wat is a royal temple built by King Sethathirat in 1559. There are over 20 structures on the grounds, including a sim, shrines, pavilions and residences, in addition to its gardens of flowers, ornamental shrubs and trees. Oh my god, so many complicated words here.
The building of the Wat have carved gilded wooden doors illustrating scenes from Buddha's life. The Wat Xieng Thong is an active temple with monks living and praying there, so please dress respectfully.
After all religious sites and boat trips, it's nice to have a quick dip in refreshing water at the waterfall. It's only 29 kilometers from Luang Prabang and it's roughly 45 minutes drive there.
Rescue Beer Center, Tat Sae, situated on the way to the waterfall with some sleepy bears looking for honey donation. The waterfall is 50 meters high with a lot of European tourists having little bear party in the water. Beer is not included into the entrance fee. Just to summarize our trip, how was the waterfall in your opinion?
인터뷰? 뭐야? So dangerous. And it was steep, but beautiful.
But I think the view here is nicer than on top.
And you guys were so good climbers.
Yeah.
So fast.
Professionals.
So great.